Hi everyone, Terri Pascarelli, MVP Realty. I'm pleased to come to you on site today at the Isles of Collier Preserve in Naples, Florida. Welcome to the Wisteria model, one of 16 plus model floor plans available by Minto Communities, the builder of the Isles of Collier Preserve. In this single family home, you can have the latest appointments and finishes in a home that gives you 2,390 square feet under air and over 3,000 square feet overall living space when you count the outdoor space as well. A 3-bedroom home with a 2-car garage that has a great room, a beautifully appointed kitchen, and outdoor space that is just the way to go for Naples living. This is one of the most popular floor plans for a reason. If you'd like more information about floor plans, pricing, and current programs to get into the Isles of Collier Preserve, give me a call, Terri Pascarelli, MVP Realty. You can reach me at 239-300-6047, and I look forward to speaking to you really soon.